Hello, POCs. How are you doing? Doing good? Excellent. This video, CEO's welcome message, is example only, imaginary one. Okay? It's a sample. Normally how a CEO will speak. It's a general overall about organization. All right, let's move on and see what he has talked. And this video is, even though it's meant for beginner leaders, it could be, this is applicable, applicable to everyone, open to anyone. If anybody wants to watch it, go ahead and watch. All right, no restrictions. My dear young future leaders, welcome to MHI. Thank you very much for choosing this organization as your growth platform. Profit is the starting point, the steering wheel, the prerequisite for everything we do in this organization. For this purpose, we make decisions, we make them to work for us. Our leaders define our culture, our styles, our strategic vision, mission, and values. This is not random. It is structured and aligned with long-term goals of this organization. This framework is built top-down from CEO to gatekeeper, and bottom-up from gatekeeper to CEO. Every one of us play a vital role in making this organization successful. The top-down and bottom-up framework, this clarity ensures the effectiveness of the communication flow in the organization. We help building your skills to perform your roles efficiently. These skills are not chosen by chance. Experienced leaders decide them. There will be a focus on every one of you. This organization strongly believes that training, coaching, mentoring create culture of discipline. It helps people to become trustable, self-aware, and emotionally matured in the long run. We believe every trait is learnable. We have well-established skill trait integration processes. Our leaders will train and help you in grooming yourself. Why do we do all these? To protect and increase the prerequisite, the profit. To get the job done right at the first time, to reduce errors, delays, and emotional triggers, to lower the cost and raise quality, to keep our customers and stakeholders delighted, to build an organization that is not just efficient but emotionally intelligent, legally safe, while keeping the society safe as well. This is how we grow in this organization, aligning profit with purpose, culture with self awareness, and our slogan is being low cost, most preferred suppliers. Thank you very much for your keen listening. Good luck and enjoy the journey in MHI.